and welcome to the Mindful Willow Creative Art Studio. Today I will be guiding a mindful art activity for children as well as adults. I call this one Wishful Intentions, art infused with intentions. For those who may not know, an intention is a combination of gratitude and action. It guides us along our chosen path to where it is we want to go. Intentions are positive and formed in our hearts. They help us align with our own unique energy to reach our goals. Intentions encourage, motivate, and promote positivity and confidence, which is both beneficial for children and adults of any age. So let's get started. Here are the materials you will need for this mindful art activity. First off is a piece of paper or mixed media paper, cardboard or canvas. Next is your acrylic paints, paper rolls, Q-tips with an elastic band, scissors, markers, pencil crayons, and cardboard or artist's palette. Here is my completed mindful art. Some intentions that I used are: I intend to enjoy my art and creativity without judgment. I intend to learn something new every day, and I focus on my passions. Enjoy creating intentions of your own and help your children write ones that resonate with them. Your intentions are unique to you and will guide you on your continued journey. Thank you so much for creating wishful intentions with me today. I hope you have enjoyed this mindful art activity and will share with others. Art is a wonderful way to practice mindfulness, and when we allow ourselves to sit with our creativity, our intentions and ideas flow endlessly. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and join the Mindful Willow group on Facebook. I have included the link in the description below. The mindful light in me honors the mindful light in all of you. Namaste.